Welcome to episode 2 of our Calgary construction series, and this is the first episode where we have a guest. I'd like to welcome Jon Mook, our landlord and president of the company that is building our new home. Jon, welcome. Can you tell us something about the building, the installation to date, and the next steps?
Thanks, Aidan. The Calgary facility is a conventionally constructed building that is 42-foot clear height, and it's made of insulated structural precast sandwich concrete panels. We did the piles in grade beam and then put the slab in, and after that we erected the walls, and we're now at a stage where the building is fully enclosed, and now we have everybody inside. They're able to start running all the pipe for the sprinkler system, along with doing the interior electrical and mechanical, which is the primary focus now, heating, lighting, and the Northstar team's working hand in hand with us inside the building. We're excited to have them as a tenant and look forward to having everything up and running in 2025.
Okay, thanks, Jon. Look, and as I mentioned in the last video, all of the equipment for the Calgary facility is being built off-site. So now that fabrication is complete, we are in the equipment testing phase. We're performance testing the equipment off-site to ensure that it operates as designed. This is an example of one of our conveyors. This one takes our ground up shingles from the collection hopper outside of the building into the aggregate separation system. So of course, we're not going to show you the testing of the top secret equipment we have, but rest assured the equipment and the off-site testing and pre-commissioning program is progressing very well.